In this video, I will show you how to find copper in LEGO Fortnite. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, you first want to make sure you're in the Dry Valley area of your world. So once you're here, you also want to make sure that you've got a pickaxe. Now the pickaxe you'll need is actually the rare pickaxe. So make sure you've upgraded your crafting bench, and the rare pickaxe is the green coloured one over here. So once you've got these materials, you also want to make sure that you've got some slurpy drinks and things like that, because what we're going to be doing is going into a cave. So you can see we've got two caves over here. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and go to one of these caves. Inside the cave is where you're going to be able to find copper, as well as things like obsidian. So all you need to do is go ahead and drop down and basically enter into the cave. So here we are inside the cave. Now the copper itself can be found growing out of the walls. So what you want to do is just fly around the cave, and you're going to see it growing out of the wall. So you can see some here. So what you want to do is just use your pickaxe and start chopping away at these rocks growing out of the walls or the ceilings, and you will see that what it's going to do is drop down some copper. So we can now just go ahead and pick this up just like so. So that is how to go ahead and find copper in LEGO Fortnite. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.